Hello again, it's Noob, and just look at this fabulous Bulldog padlock. Now, I know that it looks a little bit rusty, but these are made of hardened steel. These are, this lock in particular has been used and used and used. It's got a real patina about it. It's actually quite a lovely object. It looks like it's sort of rusty, but it's that sort of used outdoor everyday use rust on there. It's more just surface corrosion than it is anything else. I mean, the whole thing is still in perfectly good working order. It's packed full of grease. Key works fine. Bits of gunk come out of the lock now and again, but it's one of those locks which probably would, even if it was outside, would still last for a couple more decades. It's a really nice example of a 5-lever padlock. If it reminds you of anything, the shape looks like a Chubb cruiser. And whilst, yeah, it's no Chubb cruiser in terms of security, it's still a pretty nice padlock. You see it's posted, it's got a post, nut post in the middle. And so to pick it, I'm going to be using this GJ Locks, brushing away all this kind of old grease. So this GJ Locks tensioner and tension tool, with some custom wires, probably like this one here. And I think you can still buy these through Andy Mack on his website, so that's worth checking out. Really beautiful tool here. Anyway, let me go find my vise. We'll vise it up. We'll have a go at picking this. From memory, I think it needs quite a lot of tension. Okay, so we're in the vise. Still locked up. Just unlock it. Make sure it all in nice working order. There is the bitting. Relatively flat, not much ups and downs, but all those levers need to be lifted quite high. And when you nibble away at them, by which I mean you lift the levers under tension just a little increment at a time till it hits the gate, that can lead to sometimes a relatively lengthy pick. So these were some custom wires sent to me by a subscriber, and I love them. They're nice and thick, which means you get really good feedback and less sort of twisting of the steel. So I'm just going to move that back a little bit so you can see how I'm going on. And you see that little movement? That is the nibbling that I'm going to do. So you start here, so lever 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5 lever. Do you see the tiny core movement when I hit 5 there? 2, 3, 4, binding, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, it's just incremental 5 binding there. When I say 5 binding, usually means after I've actually clicked it up one. So 1, 2, 3, 3's binding now, 4, nothing, 5, a little bit more. Basically, I'm walking the levers up the bolt stump. 2, 3 is binding, nothing on 4, little something on 5, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3 feels like it's in a gate now, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 I think is almost there, 4's binding a little sticky, I think we're good, 3, 4, 5, and be a bit more brave now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, oh, 2's binding a little bit, 3, 4, oh, do you see that? 4, I just hit 4 and we had a nice core rotation. Same with hitting 5, 1, binding now, but not quite, 2, 3, 4, still a little something on 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, oh, 2 might have, the 1 and 2 are almost binding, but not quite, I can't quite tell, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, little movement on 4 again, and 5, 1, oh, do you see that movement on 1 there? So 1's binding, 2, and we're open. There we go. There's a shackle. Let's see if I can just remove it from the vise for you. And there we go. Nice open. Let's try and remove the pick and the tension tool. And you can see down on in there. So probably just see in there that the bolt is retracted, and we can open it all the way and close it all the way. Very, very nice. So yeah, it's a little bit used, a little bit greasy, but like I said, these old locks, they're built to last, and it's still in great working order despite its obvious years of use, and probably still has years of use to give. Anyway, fantastic little 5-lever padlock, the 5-lever Bulldog. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you like the video, please consider giving it a like, and a comment below always helps me. I do try to reply to all the comments. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, a subscribe would be really, really, really awesome of you. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.